In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay or send crypto to someone on Binance using Binance Pay or other methods. If you're looking to seamlessly transfer cryptocurrencies, understanding how to use Binance Pay is essential. Binance Pay is a convenient feature that allows you to send, receive, and spend cryptocurrencies with friends, family, or merchants in a straightforward and often fee-free manner. To identify the recipient, you can use their email, phone number, Binance Pay ID, Binance UID, or even a QR code. Before diving into the transaction process, there are a few things you'll need. First, ensure you have a Binance account that has completed identity verification, also known as KYC, as this is essential for security and compliance. It's important that Binance Pay is enabled in your region, since not every feature is available everywhere yet. Be prepared to set up a Pay PIN or similar security feature for authorizing transactions through Binance Pay. Additionally, make sure your account has enough cryptocurrency or balance in either the funding wallet or Pay wallet to cover the transaction. You might need to transfer funds from your spot wallet if necessary. Now, let's walk through the steps to send money or crypto using Binance Pay. Start by opening the Binance app, or if available, logging in through the web interface. To access Binance Pay on a desktop, navigate to the top left tab and hover over the More section, then click on Pay, which is typically found at the top of the menu. This will lead you to the section where you'll input the recipient's information. You have several options to send funds. You can enter the recipient's Binance Pay ID or UID, use their email or phone number which is associated with their Binance account, or, if they've shared it with you, scan a QR code provided by the recipient. Once you've identified the recipient, the next step is to select the cryptocurrency you wish to send. You can choose from various options such as USDT, BTC, BNB, and more from your Pay or funding wallet. Enter the exact amount you want to send, and you're ready to proceed. It's critical to review the transaction details thoroughly. Double-check the recipient's identity, which could be their UID, email, or phone number, and ensure the cryptocurrency type is correct and supported. You'll also want to verify any fees involved. Although many transactions between Binance users are fee-free, it's always prudent to confirm. Finally, after verifying all details, confirm and send your transaction using your Pay PIN, or complete any required two-factor authentication steps. The transaction is typically instantaneous, especially between Binance Pay users. Both you and the recipient will receive a notification or receipt confirming the transaction. The cryptocurrency will land in the recipient's Pay or funding wallet, and they can move it to their spot wallet if desired. And there you have it. Sending crypto using Binance Pay is simple and efficient. Just remember to always be cautious and double-check all details for a smooth transaction experience.